civilians are smashable.
Apparently it's going to take me 2.5 hours to pick this lock. What's on?
I'm gonna have to go ahead and put this mask on. Whoa!
Dude, he doing cocaine.
Why, you heard him?
Did you hear what Jimmy said? Dude, Jimmy's a nutcase, bro.
I know.
He's like, oh yeah, we're doing this. All right, like good night. Eat nuts. Take the bag. Dude, get a bag.
Wait a minute.
Get a bag.
There's a person behind a desk. Pick up the bag.
All right, let's get some. Oh, here comes the guard.
Bitty 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 bitty.
Let me waste them.
Snickies. I got detected.
A professional doesn't need to kill those people, you know?
Okay. Oh, I see. Yeah. I'll be right back with you. Everything looks clear.
Oh God.
I don't care. I'll kill the civilians. Sometimes in order to do a mission stealthy, you gotta kill civilians. Somebody got detected.
Stay still. Stay down.
Time up. Where's the van that we, Dude,
Stupid.
chill.
Can't say
There's
much
a
is
guard around the
happening here,
corner.
to
He's
be
gonna
honest.
call the police if you don't kill him. Answer his pager.
I'm sorry, I pressed the wrong button. I know I got the right one now, so that's handy as fuck.
I think we can take the whole store now. We got nothing but civilians.
Get down. Down.
I think we wasted the guards,
Down
so
on
we
the
can take the
ground.
civilians.
Down
As
on
long
the
as they don't
ground.
call the cops, I think we'll be
Everybody
okay.
down. Everybody on the ground. Down
Get
on the
in here and help
ground,
me.
everybody. Don't you dare move. Stay down, all of you. Stay low. Stay down, all of you. Down. Nobody
Kill
move.
civilians like this, we're gonna lose
Alright,
all
grab the
cash
jewelry. I'll
and
keep the crowd under
costs.
control.
Stay down, everybody.
Stay down.
Stay low. Don't move. Stay low.
I think the civilians are too scared to do anything
I didn't say
anymore.
move.
Stay down. Don't move. Get down.
Armadillos keep digging.
Yeah, just grab the jewelry and take it to the van.
Stay down.
Motherfucker.
Little hole in
Stay
my
down.
backyard.
Stay where you
Don't
are.
fucking move.
Stay down.
Where's this van? Oh, it's over there. It's like literally right across the street.
Oh, don't move. Don't you understand, man?
Get down. And stay down. Stay where you are.
Don't fucking move.
Stay low.
Yeah, I see where my yellow bag is. That's where the van is.
Back to the car, people.
Yeah, now you know where it is.
Stay where you
I
are.
gotta take the jewelry
Stay
to
down.
the thing.
You got something to say?
Right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
so.
You already know the vibe. We out here busting.
Yeah.
Stay
You can load
low.
it up.
Stay down.
Yeet.
Stay down, people.
The alarm went
Asshole.
off. Civilians saw
This
criminals and
dude
called the police.
called the cops right here.
They'll be there any second.
Damn! No! The van's taking off with the loot! Dang!
Through my key, I got a split.
Alright.
I'll come back in a few.
We gotta keep these bags under control now. So one of the
It ain't our
civilians
time
must
to
have got
die.
wise.
Fucking fight.
It's okay. It's alright. We just gotta keep these bags under control.
Hey, Russ, come on. On my way. Follow my lead. Got it. Show no goddamn fear.
We're moving the escape car. Don't blow the origin. This place is crawling with cops.
Look out! Taser!
Yeah, someone called the
Stay
fucking
down.
police.
No such thing.
I don't know who it was, but somebody did.
Down.
It was this guy back here.
These
Well,
bitches wanna mess with
never
us.
mind, his body ain't there no more.
Give it to them then. Dozer's here! Suck it, Taser. You don't wanna fuck with us, you hear me? Yeah.
I'll punch him.
Taser's dead.
We're boxing
Stay
now.
down. It ain't our time to die.
There's movement in the alleys. Stay alert.
John Wick, help me. Okay, I'm getting beat. I'm getting beat.
These bitches wanna mess. Oh, fuck you, Taser. Battle go down.
We got hostages and stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll be
Keep
alright.
running.
If you get taken into custody, you'll still be okay.
Well, I'm trying to prevent that.
Fucking mindless.
I know. Well, we got hostages.
Nothing but death.
You
Dozer.
need good
That's all
feet.
you got, huh? Burn 'em! Come on.
And that's a great way to say it.
No such thing as mercy.
Then come on back with that van.
Cops are freeing civilians right now.
Yeah.
But that ain't none of my business.
It's a fucking dozer.
No mercy, no fast aid key here!
I don't even know what to do with this jewelry.
Show 'em what you're made of.
Dang.
Oh.
Dang. Getting out of here.
Aren't you a professional?
Fuck,
This
I
business
just
is
killed,
professional. If you're taken
civilian.
into custody now, the police will hold you for goddamn ever.
Hold your fucking ground. Yeah.
Count us down.
Let's make this a day they won't forget.
Gotta get
Yeah.
it.
Thanks, buddy.
Alright, van's
Come on,
here.
man. Where's the van?
The van's here.
Oh,
Hurry the fuck up.
yeet. Yeet. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
They getting in the van trying to get that loot.
Bitch ass shield.
Get me up. Yeah, get
Thank
me.
you, mate.
Alright, wait a minute. Where am I at?
Snipers are here. You can't stick around.
Shield taken care of.
Alright,
Lay down.
I'm running.
Fuck. Shield.
Yeet.
I got the taser.
Give him hell, guys. They sure intend to treat you the same way. New units are rolling in.
Wait, where's the bags?
They're trying to take your livelihood.
They're pulling back.
I secured some of them.
guys.
Is that all the bags?
That we had loose, yeah.
Spotted a fucking shield.
There's still jewelry in the cases, though. John Wick's
Punk
got
ass
one on
shield
his
is
back
dead.
he don't want to let me grab.
There's still jewelry in the cases.
Piece of
Stay
trash
still.
shield. Fuck you.
Hey, Wick, follow me.
Okay.
That's enough for Vlad, but get more if you feel brave. Hostage rescue attempt underway. All right, the choice is escape now or go for more loot. Your call.
What do you want to do? You want to take off now?
I don't see any more.
Down on the ground.
Alright. Well, we had the place secured for a little bit, and someone called the cops, so we're doing alright.
Bitch ass cloak.
Okay, I'm getting beat. Getting beat.
Bitch jumping cocksucker is dead.
Sam Fisher got me.
Alright, I need help.
I love you, thank you.
Let's get up out of here.
Let's go before I start killing off civilians.
Yeah. Sam Fisher beat my ass.
Yeah, I'm gonna need help if you don't get your ass over to the van.
Get my fat ass up and stay close.
Yeah, we need to escape now. I always hate when this shit happens.
Escape. Oh, we still got it. Oh.
Almost time for me to order some pizza.
Shit. Get late.
Bad news, guys. I'm a shitty ass driver.
Watch out, guys. The cops are surrounding you.
Get all them damn bags.
Should offer some cover.
Good lord.
I got it. Got it.
Stay still.
We'll get you out of there. Just keep the load safe.
I'm thinking about taking the clippers and just shaving my beard off.
There you go.
Cloaker son of a bitch is dead.
Yeah, cause that's enough of
All right,
that's
guys,
enough
the van is coming in to get you
of
out.
looking like Santa Claus. I got gray hairs.
Looks like they sent an extraction team to free the civilians, folks. This is it. Arriving in 4. Hang in there. 4 minutes left, guys.
Who the hell is shooting me?
Let's bury him! I took care of punk-ass shield. I got the bitch-ass shield. Don't waste a shot! Look out! Taser! Taser eliminated! Hey, Ron! Shield come down. With me! On my way! Rick. Come with me! I got it!
Shoot him out of the air. I wish I could just shoot the pilot. Shoot that helicopter pilot.
Coming in 3 minutes. I'm going as fast as I can.
It's a long 3 minutes it's gonna be.
Dozer! Yeah. Taser's dead. Bitch-ass shield.
Oh, fuck all of you!
Dozer's here! Suck my dick, Dozer fuck.
I'll be there in 2.
Did he say shoot and scoot?
2 minutes until you get the hell out of there.
Fuck you, shield fuck.
Yeet, yeet, yeet.
Fuck ass cloaker.
Grenade!
Fuck ass cloaker down.
Get
I
John,
got
look
the
up.
bitch ass shield. Ordered like
We'll
this.
get this guy up. No.
Kill the bitch ass shield.
I'm getting inside this van.
Look out, taser.
Taser down! Milk.
Spotted.
Eating these some milk.
Bitch ass cloaker's history. How are you still breathing, man?
Thanks.
the shield!
Ow!
Cops are pulling back.
Good work back there. Now focus on getting things done.
Punk-ass shield is dead. I got it.
Shield eliminated.
The van will be there in 30 seconds. Get ready.
That was a long 3-4 minutes, something like that.
Yep. Yes,
The
sir.
van will be coming in near the park.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
10 seconds.
That's a punk-ass shield.
Okay, I'm in position. Double time it. All right, the van is there. Move. Step it up. The escape vehicle is leaving in 4 minutes.
We got 4 minutes before his van takes off, so let's secure as much as we can. I'll go ahead and yeet the bags. You just kind of get them to the van, Jonah. I'll yeet them.
Taser taken care of.
Punk-ass cloaker down.
I'm glad I can run with a bag. Chop! That went over my head.
Secure as much load as you can. The escape vehicle is leaving in 3 minutes.
Russ!
No, we gotta
come along.
secure all the bags anyway.
Follow me! Dozer! We're taking a big...
I got one more bag.
Let's make this a day they won't forget. These assholes think they can stop us? Fuck that.
There we go. We're good. We got them all.
I should have just picked the middle. Would have had an extra bonus. Money bonus.